Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll see how we can swap sheets in dashboard without impacting any of the existing sheets that are already present. So often it can happen in real time that while we build the dashboard after placing all the worksheets, we realize we want to change only one of the existing sheet. Okay, so we can do that in dashboard. So assume we have this dashboard. Now here my intention is I want to change only this vertical chart with my pie chart that is already available here. So for that, what we need to do is from your dashboard view here, select the sheet that you want to change or that you want to swap with. So I'm selecting my vertical bar chart here, selecting that. Now this sheet is selected. Now select the sheet that you want to swap with here. I want to swap it with pie chart. So just click on the swap button. Automatically that sheet will be replaced in that position. So let us do it again. So now this time I want to change my side by side bar chart with my pie chart. So for that, I'm selecting my side by side bar chart. So you can do it like this also. Now it is here in this position, side by side bar chart. Select that and select the sheet you want to swap with. Here there is a swap button. When you select, click on that, automatically it will be swapped. Okay, so that's how we can swap sheets in dashboard without impacting any of the existing sheets. That's it from my side in this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day. Bye bye.